Hey there, it is hustle time.
Yep. And before we start, we want to let you know what our schedule is for May because it's actually filling up. On Tuesday nights, we're going to be in Warrenville again, but this time we'll be teaching Double Two, one of the favorite dances of the clubs, the nightclubs. Here at Strut on Wednesday nights, we'll be teaching Nightclub. The Tuesday night class starts at 7. The Wednesday night class starts at 8. And we're thrilled to be invited to teach Two-Step for Swinging Country at its Welcome Back party, which will be on Friday the 21st of May. So we hope you see you at, well, what the heck, all of those.
So this is what we have for hustle. And 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3. Small things. And 1, 2, 2 hands. I'm actually rocking forward, Julie's rocking back to get the momentum going. And 2, 2, and it's going to go to Julie's shoulder. 3. From a different position.
I think it's good.
Oh, so I'm on the rail. I am going to be lifting my left hand up, but I'm going to stay on the rail. And 3, 2, 3.
So he does this and he's going to be letting go of my right hand. His next step will be a sideways rock step so that I can do my back rock.
And 4, I'm unwinding Julie. 2, 3, giving her more or follow through so she can do a, well, I don't know what that's called, a rolling break. And 5, 2, 3, going with her for a crossbody lead. So from this position, no, but it was that position, sorry.
But we did that already.
And 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. I'm rocking back. I'm rocking to the side, Julie's rocking back. And 3, 2, 3. This is the crucial part. As I'm winding Julie, I am following through. So she's doing a rolling break. And 4, 2, 3. Going with her.
That's it.
That's all we have.
Fast and easy. I think that you should have fun with that if you have a partner, and if not, you can just plan to practice those rolling breaks because they're not as easy as they look. In the meantime, hope we see you on the dance floor. Hope you're taking care of yourself, and
Yeah, we'll
That's
see you
it.
in May-ish. Bye.